Hello, welcome back to my channel. As you know, my name is Nicole and this is another wash hour. So it took me about 15 minutes to get to this point today, and I'm to the point where I'm going to apply my topper gels. So I cleansed with and conditioned with AG, and when I did my conditioning, I cocktailed it with the Trepidor Quinoa Repair for some extra deep conditioning because I felt like my hair could use it. So I'm not, sorry, I'm getting my products. I'm not on a specific time schedule as far as how often I may deep condition. I've probably, since in these last 7 months, I've probably only deep conditioned 3 or 4 times. So as needed, and I either use the Trepidor Quinoa Repair or I use the Bakura Beauty Yam Manuka Honey. When I don't use them together, I use one or the other. So this time I decided to use the Quinoa Repair, and so I'm about to add my eye create hold. Yeah. Then I'm back to adding my mop top. And what's special about today's wash hour is this is my last time on this styling cycle doing my hair before I get my maintenance visit with my tight curl specialist, stylist, cut it kinky specialist, Miss Tierrany. So very exciting times. And I'm moving a little more quickly today because I am on a bit of a time crunch. I got up early to reset my hair because I was too lazy to do it yesterday, but I should have, but I didn't. And then I thought, okay, when I get up today, maybe my hair will be decent enough where I can stand it for like one more day. But for me, it was a little too afro-ish, a little too, y'all seen the movie Unbreakable when Samuel L. Jackson was Mr. Glass? That's kind of how I felt. So I don't always feel that way. That's how I felt today. So I was looking at the clock and I'm like, I got about 2 hours, 45 minutes, 2 hours, and I can knock my hair out as far as the cleanse, conditioning, this part, right? And then sit under the dryer however long I have before I have to be where I have to be. So that's where I'm at today. So I'm moving a little quicker. In the back, I'm probably going to rake and smooth in larger sections, but in the front, do the smaller sections. But that's my life today. But I'm still really excited that I have that choice, that if I wake up and I'm like, okay, like last night, I guess I slept wild because it was the first time I woke up since I've been wearing the buff, and it was like half up here, which I'm sure contributed to more frizz and stuff. So I think I ate too much sugar late at night, and you know, sometimes that can affect how you fall asleep. So I won't be doing that again tonight. All right, and now the papaya slip. And one more thing, I realized this eye create hold. Y'all see this little bottle? I bought the big bottle thinking, oh, I'm going to use it up too fast. I still haven't used, I've been using that little bottle for like 4 or 5 months, and I still haven't used it up. So when you're thinking about the products being more expensive and they talk about them being more concentrated, they last a really long time, even the small bottles. So watch the sales. Some of these places have buy one get one free, like Uncle Funky's. AG usually has like 25% off, and InnerSense, they don't have many sales on their actual website, but Ulta Beauty sometimes will have 30% off and this and that. So watch the sales, and when the products go on sale, get them then, because it's worth the investment to me. So that's my experience. I have applied the product to my hair, my topper gels, and my papaya slip. So now I'm gonna go off camera, rake it and smooth it, but then when I get up here, as I usually do, I will pop back on so you can see, excuse me, you'll see where I'm at. That's coffee. You'll see where I'm at. You'll see that I'm doing applying the same techniques every week to get the same consistent results, and so I will see you in a little while. So with how my time is looking, it's looking like I may only have a good 15 or 20 minutes to sit under the dryer, which is fine because I can always do what I have to do and then come back and dry it the rest of the way. But these bigger sections are going well. Maybe not so much on this part though, because this is like the densest part of my hair. We'll see. Hey, welcome to day 2 hair. She is doing very well. She's still damp from exercise earlier, but she's happier because she has the mop top back in her life. So that's day 2. Still damp. Still got the definition. Still got a nice cut that will be refreshed soon. Because I'm the type of person, even when I had a relaxer, when I get my hair cut, I'll get it cut every 2 weeks to keep it in the shape, if that's what it takes. Because when you cut your hair short, it can grow out of the haircut really fast. So yeah, I'm excited to get more of my shape back and to get that maintenance visit. And I did do a picture, if you look here. And I'm hoping y'all can see the difference that I see in when I use the mop top versus when I don't use the mop top, as far as the definition and the finish with my hair. So that's what's working for me. Right? May not work for you. You may be able to look like that with just I create holds. I know I mentioned my sister's hair a lot, but it's such a difference. She doesn't use as much product. you saw she has different characteristics of her hair, but for me, for my hair to be set and to look like I want it to look, this is what's necessary. And I don't mind it because I'm getting the results that I want. So keep practicing, keep improving your technique every week, and just do the best that you can as far as continuing to, if you can't afford to, if you think you can't afford, right, to pay $45 for see some curls, even if you could invest in it for just 1 month and just really diligently watch all of the content and take what you can from it, because you can cancel anytime, then just, it'll take more work because everything's not in one place. But I noticed even on I Am Black Girl Curls' YouTube page, they still have some older videos up. I think they're called like Stylist Try Things, of Aisha and Elise doing styles using like foam and stuff like that. So watch those videos. That's how I started out before I joined See Some Curls, and learn what you can from the free stuff. And then when you think you've plateaued with the free stuff, then it might be time to partner with a tight curl specialist or to get in See Some Curls so you can progress a little more. And then after you feel like you've plateaued with See Some Curls, then you can start, right, saving that money to go toward your hair appointment with your tight curl specialist. So that is my advice, right, to if that is something that you want to do. And if not, that's fine too, but that's what's working for me. And that's what the point of my videos is, right, to tell you what's working for me and how it's going. And there's nothing, I don't have anything negative as far as the results in my hair, because I know where I came from. Yeah, so I'm very happy with how it's going now. So thanks for watching. I will see you on day 3, and have a great day. Hello, welcome to day 3 hair. That's how she looking. If you remember, I did rake and smooth my hair in larger sections than I usually do because I was on a little bit of a time crunch from when I reset my hair this week, but she still looks pretty good. I worked out yesterday, but I haven't worked out today yet, but I will work out today, so we'll see how she's doing tomorrow, considering that. But I really, once I get used to the shape of a haircut, you know, it's kind of grown out of that, so I'm looking forward to getting that tightened up. But that's day 3 hair, nothing super insightful to report, and I will see you on day 4. Hello, checking in with day 4 hair. I did not exercise today. See, I have a little bit of flaking again, but that's okay. And my hair is very much frizzy today and shrunken, and I'm blaming it on the humidity. The humidity is in the 80-something% today, so no matter how good your product application or your technique or your hydration is, that's just like science. So sometimes the humidity wins, and that's what's going on today for me. So I know that tomorrow, day 5, will definitely be my last day with this wash and go, and I will try to remember in the morning to pop in to show you my hair before I get it reset. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Hey, welcome to day 5 hair. Got a little something going on right there. Here we go. So this is the end of the road for this hair. It's gonna get reset today. It's gonna get some professional assistance today, and I'm so excited. So I will see you on the next wash hour, and thank you so much for watching. Thank you for those who have subscribed. Thank you to those who are subscribing as we speak, and I appreciate it. It encourages more content, and I'm glad to hear some of y'all's hair journeys is going just as well with applying the advice that we received from I Am Black Girl Curls. So So thanks so much for watching and for subscribing, for liking, for commenting, hitting that thumbs up button, hitting that subscribe button, and for continuing to tune in every week as I document the progress with this hair journey, this hair lifestyle that has consistently been working for me for about 8 months now. Have a great day. I'll see you next time.